What's up, guys? Diego back with another SoCal Ranger video. Doing something a little bit different today. We are here with the truck at the crib doing a little install. Just finished switching over from regular to full synthetic oil, and right now I'm going to take care of this giant hole in my grill. As you can see, back there is the radiator. I got a bunch of dings in that thing already. So today we are getting the Mountains2Metal insert on. So I already opened this thing up. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. There we go. Alright, so in the box, love how this thing comes packaged. Slide you out. So that's what we're looking at right up in there. Should be a super simple install. It's just some tiny little push pins that are in there, and they are super rad because those things can suck to deal with. They give you some brand new ones. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so like I said, should be a super simple install. They give you these cool little directions here. Basically, remove the 5 clips, take that off, put the insert in, put the clips back in, done deal. Luckily, I just picked up these trim tools, so it should make this pretty easy. So yeah, this thing is super easy to put on. I'm assuming it goes this way, so that way it backs in right in line with these clips. Yep, that's looking like the move. Easy. All right, sick. Done. It took like 2 minutes, if that. Yes, sir. So much better. Mountains2Metal. Check them out, guys. They make grill inserts, not just for the Ranger, but a bunch of other trucks. Check out their website, Mountains2Metal.com. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Diego. This is the SoCal Ranger channel. If you like what you see, make sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. I'll catch you on the next one.